Hi, you sent me the green picture and the blue dress I have made for you. Here we have cutting for the dress and sleeves. Take 2 meter fabric, fold it to cut the back part. Mark about 13 inches on this. For this would be 1/4 part of hip plus a few inches more. Press it well so that the dress comes out really neat and beautiful. Even the fabric from the top, mark straight from the top side. Take the total length as you wish. The minimum can be 15 or 16 inch and the maximum could be as long as you wish. We need total length plus 2 inch extra so that half inch can come for seam the shoulder stitches. Okay, and then we mark armhole length 7.5 inch, 14.5 inch waist length, hip length 21.5 and total length plus 1.5 inch for folding. Extend these markings so it is easier for us to get our drafting right. Mark the shoulder 7.1/4 of an inch. On the chest line, mark 1 inch lesser than the shoulder. That would be 6.25 inch or 6.1/4 inch. Chest line is 1/4 part of chest plus half inch, that is 8.5 inch. Waist is 1/4 of waist, 7 inch. Hip 1/4 of hip line plus half inch, that is 9.5 inch. The bottom you can keep 2.5 inch more than the hip line, so that will come out as a line dress, and then we join our markings. From the bottom we keep about 1 inch up and give it a shape. Neck width, the standard is 3 inch. I'm keeping it 4 inch because here the neck length or neck depth is going to be lesser. We are keeping neck depth only 3 inch from front and 2.5 inch from back. Shape the neck as you wish. I'm shaping it kind of a boat neck but slightly lesser than the boat neck. So this is 3 inch. I mark one more for 2.5 inch depth. Half inch down for the shoulder slope. Join it with the neck. Take middle on the armhole and mark on the line. This is 1.5 inch for the side seam. Using the inch tape, mark on the sides for the seams. Cut on the outer line. But from the bottom I have this fabric extra, so I keep the length more and make use of the length. Cut it slightly extra. Make small cut wherever needed. Now fold the fabric for front. Keep back part on it. Cut 1 inch or about half inch more than the armhole. Cut same as the back part till the chest line. Fold it where we marked, that is about ½ inch more than the chest line. This is our yoke. Be careful and cut it. You can also do one thing. You can mark it with a chalk or a pencil and remove the upper part, and then you can cut it. The front neck is ½ inch more than the back part, and the armhole, front armhole is also ½ inch more than the back armhole. So we shape it and cut. The width of the neck would not change. It will be same as 4 inch. Cut the front armhole. Here we got the yoke. You can make a contrast color or different color yoke as well. This is our back that is done, and this is our yoke. The right side of the design is facing each other. Back side of the fabric is outside. Here we have the fabric for the panel. We have two styles. One is keep it slightly slanting and then leaving 3 inch from the side or 4 inch from the side. Each side we place it slightly slanting. On the top side I have made a mark so that it is easier to place the yoke. Now we place the back part. The front side of the design is out. This is back part placed. Now we cut the outline of this dress. It is slightly kind of Angrakha because it will be overlapping each layer. From top we leave ½ inch and cut. So we have one layer for the front. This is our back part. We don't need it right now. So this is yoke, and this way the layer would be slightly slanting. I got this fabric, so I cut it on this because you are in a hurry to make this dress. From the front we will be folding about 1½ inch for the buttonholes. Now we need to cut one more part of the layer. So we again place the fabric and keeping our first layer on this, we cut another layer. If there is some design or texture that you want to match, be careful and match flower with the flower or line with the line. So here we got this, keeping about 2 inch from the front. We cut on the outline from the sides and the bottom. So here we got 2 layers of our dress. Mark it for easy identification. Now I show you the placement because cutting is slightly tricky. After that stitching is very easy. Here we place one layer. Here we got another one, the right side up. The front side would be folded like this. There is one more way to make the buttonholes. This is easier one. It won't take you much time to make this dress. then the top layer, and this also you fold as much as you want to. Here we can place it the way we want to. Now we cut the sleeve. Because the design is going in one direction, we'll cut the fabric from the middle and then place flower on the flower so that both the sleeves got flowers on one direction. Fold it from top. Take length plus 2 inch, armhole length 7 inch, and bottom down 5.5 inch, 3 inch inside, that is standard for the adults, 2.5 for the teenage. Keeping 1 inch from up, join middle and then half inch out, about half inch, slightly round from in and then joining from the out. Now you can join it. The length of the sleeve is about 10 inch because it's in fashion now. You can give it a shape and 1 inch or 1.5 inch for the seam allowance. Using a tracing wheel, press on the stitching line, cut on the outline. This dress is simple and comfortable to wear. It looks trendier. You can carry with palazzo, skirt or anything, even jeans, skirts and salwar, etc. So it looks really trendy, beautiful. I'm thankful to you that you send me the design, but I'm sorry because I get so many design every day and I get a little busy, and it takes time to bring fabric and all. So please give me time to make your designs. Here we cut the front armhole and sleeves, and the dress is cut this way. This is the back and this is the front, this is the side. In the next video I'll show you how to stitch this dress easily and comfortably. Stay subscribed and keep watching. This is the final dress which came out beautifully. Thank you. Bye bye.